On this World Soil Day, let's discuss about the best practices, operations, and treatments to protect soil and enhance its performance, like soil conservation, soil amendment, and optimal soil health. Hello, this is Professor Suzail Ahmed, Assistant Professor in Business Administration, Islamia College, Wanembadi. In agriculture, some amount of soil management is needed both in non-organic and organic type of soil to prevent agricultural land from becoming poorly productive over decades. Organic farming in particular emphasizes optimal soil management because it uses soil health as the exclusive or nearly exclusive source of its fertilization and pest control. Conventional agriculture is driven by industrialization and aims to maximize efficiency. That includes practices like large scale farming that specializes in monoculture and uses pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Alternatives include number one, conservation agriculture, number two, regenerative agriculture, and number three, organic agriculture, which are broadly grouped as sustainable agriculture, which is part of the United Nations Sustainable Goals. Conservation agriculture has three main practices. Number one, minimizing soil disturbance. Number two, maintaining permanent soil coverage. And number three, diversifying crop species. Similarly, regenerative agriculture practices use minimal to no tillage, cover crops, crop rotations, compost, and grazing. Organic agriculture incorporates most of these practices and emphasizes biological, not synthetic management. There are three overarching practices that improve carbon sequestration in soils. Number one, increasing biomass inputs. Number two, decreasing SOC losses. And number three, increasing the mean residence time MRT of SOC. So thank you very much for being part of this World Soil Day, and let us all congratulate each other for being part of this thing. Thank you.